In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 1000 by 5 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 10. We know that 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 0 here. But see that this is the number 0, so we can remove 1 0. But in this case, although 0 is less than 5, but as we have brought down this number 0 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. As in the previous case, again we need to bring down this 0 here. And we know that this is the number 0. So remove 1 0 again. And we know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that we have no number to bring down here, and we have got the number 0. So we will stop. Therefore, 1000 divided by 5 is equal to 200. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.